Let's start with the next topic, operators. So we have covered DQL. Now we are moving into operators. Okay, so let's go to the notebook, and here I can create operators .sql, operators.sql. Open this as a notebook, open with SQL notebook. Use YTDB. You don't need to do every time, but it's a good habit. Code, and in here, first we will create the table. If you can see create table, so this you will find it in the DDL. If you go here in the DDL section, I'm using this table, create table customers. Okay, so this table I'm using over here in the operator section. Just run it. Can you see the customers table have been created? Now we have done this thing. Let's try to create the data. Well, you can ask ChatGPT also. You can ask ChatGPT as well. So go here, and here you can say give me 10 insert statements for above table. Remember I'm using MySQL DB. Right, it will give you the 10 insert statements. Can you see that? So you need to use your time wisely. Can you see email and other thing? It has given proper data to you. Now you can run it, and can you see 10 rows are affected. So this is how you will use ChatGPT. So give this table, and for this table it will give you all the details, insert statements. So this is how you will create the data. So let's give a credit to the ChatGPT over here. The data generated from ChatGPT. I don't know in the future what will happen. ChatGPT will remain free or what, I don't know. But in this video, you might see that. In the future, you might not able to do that. I don't know. Right? Okay. Now we have created the data. Now what I wanted to do, let's use this table for the operators and few more sessions. Okay. Now can you see, when you talk about the operators, SQL provides several types of the operators that allow you to perform the various operations on the data, like arithmetic operations, comparison, logical, null related operations. Right. Now see, what are the arithmetic operators? Can you see the select query? Select age plus 5 as updated age from the customer. Right? From the customer, let's try to fire this. Select arithmetic operators. Select age plus 5 from customers, where from customer. Now see, customer does not exist, customers. Can you see? Well, if you see, SQL is giving name as age plus 5. Can you see the column name age plus 5 and normal age also? We can do something like this. Can you see? The age is 30, 5 is getting added. Age is 25, 5 is getting added. Now can you see, I don't want to see this column name over here. I can change it as updated age, right? Okay, I think this will not work. So if there are something like this, just use a backtick. Can you see, backticks can be used in the SQL. Updated age. So what is happening over here? If you remove the backtick, there is a space between updated and the age. You cannot use a quote because this represents a string in the SQL. So how do you tell SQL that I wanted to use this only? So backtick. Sorry, below the escape there is a one button. Below the escape there is a one button that can be used to do this thing. So what is the as? When you say as, so this column name, okay, so let's remove this from here. I wanted to show you the column name. Look at the column name. I want to change column name. I want to change the column name at the time of showing the results. At the time of showing the results. So query would be same, right? Simply you can say as updated age. Just use the backticks. Why backticks? Because space in the SQL will create the problem. To avoid that, you need this thing, updated age. Got it? Arithmetic operations. Similarly, you can do subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, right? You can do these also. I will do one more thing, that is a subtraction. So here we can say age minus 5. Can you see? It is dividing 5. Which operator we have seen? Arithmetic operator. Similarly, there is a comparison operator. There is a what? Comparison operator. Let us see. You may try other things. You may, in the arithmetic, you may try other things, but one and same. Instead of plus, you can do minus, and like that. I have written everything in the notebook. Okay, but just make sure that here I have used the customer, but our column name is different, right? Our column name is different, so you need to take care of that thing. So notes are just for a reference point. Queries might be different, table names might be different. You need to take care of that part. Okay, comparison operator. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, like that. Okay, so here you can say select customers, select star from customers where age is greater than 23. Age is greater than 23. Can you see 10? All of them are having age is greater than 23. Can you see? Or just make age is greater than 34. Only 2 employees are there whose age is greater than 34. Now, I want to say find out all the employees whose age is not equal to 34. Age is not equal to what? 34. or we can say, do we have duplicate ages over here? 27, no. Just exclude one thing, just age is greater than, age is not equal to 22. Can you see only 22 would be getting removed? There won't be any 22 over here. There won't be any 22 over here, not equals to. So here we can say comparison operator greater than, greater than. Here we have comparison operator not equal to, not equal to. Similarly, less than is also there. Equals, equals we already have seen, right? Greater than equal to is also there. Less than equal to is also there, right? So these, whenever you see this symbol, remember that it is not equal to operator, not equal to comparison operator, right? So this is the comparison operators. So we have seen three: equal, not equal, greater than, and once you see greater than, just alter the symbol less than and it will work. Now logical operators, can you see? Logical operators, and or not, and or not. Let's try to work with the logical operators. Logical operators, and here we can say select star from customers where, select star from customers where what, age is less than 34 and city is New York. New York. Logical operators. Only one person whose age is less than 34 and who lives in New York. Can you see here? Age is 34, who lives in New York. Only one customer is there. Logical operator. Similarly, there is a or also. Similarly, there is a what? Or as well. Or as well. Just add it. Sorry. Or. Now can you see? Or either age, if one condition is satisfied, whenever you say and, both the conditions need to be satisfied. Age need to be less than 30 and city must be New York. So here it's not like the case. If city is New York or age is 34, you will get both the results. Here you will get both the results. Or, right? And there is something called as not. Not. Presently we don't have any Boolean variable over there, but let us see where age is, where age is not 34. There are two employees whose age is not 34, whose age is not less than 34. There are two employees. Can you see? This is not less than 34. This is not less than 34. Comparison operator, not. Comparison operator, what? Not. Now, if you want to check something is a null or not, So here we can say it's not an operator actually, not null check, not null check. So here we can say select star from customer, star from the customer, where we can say email not null, email is not null. Can you see? So here we are saying that give me all the employees whose email is not null. Even you can say null also. Okay, not null. Give me all the employees whose email is not null. Similarly, you can get all the employees whose email is null. Email is null. 0. No one is having null email ID. Everyone is having proper email. Everyone is having proper email. Remember that. That's why here you are not getting anything. So null is not null. Is null. Sorry. Is null and is not null. Is null, is not null. What are these null related operators? So we have seen arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, not null related operators. So this is about few operators we have seen in the SQL section. Few operators we have seen in the SQL section. If you have understood the session, write it in the comment box. If you have any query, also write it in the comment box. I hope you have understood this. Let's see you in the next session. Thank you.